Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect FXPrimus to MT5 in 2026. For that, first of all, you need to launch your MT5 on your device. If you haven't downloaded it already, you just have to download it from Google Play Store or App Store. So when you launch MT5, simply tap on the option of Add Trading Account. Afterwards, use the search bar. Then you need to simply search for FXPrimus. Now when you are able to find its server over here in this list, you just have to tap on that, and then you need to provide your login ID and your password. So in order to get your login ID and your password, you need to get access to your FXPrimus accounts dashboard. In the dashboard itself, you are going to find your MT5 credentials. So first of all, you need to paste the server, because as you can see, if you try to find it here inside MT5, you won't be able to find it. So when you are in the settings of your FXPrimus account, you are also going to get the MT5 server. So first of all, paste the server over here, then tap on the server and provide your login ID and password. When you tap on the option of login, you will be able to easily connect your FXPrimus account to MT5. If this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.